Welcome back to Pienk Elf. My name is Crystal, and today we are making peach Bellini shooters. I already have my kaolin clay mixed in with my oils, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our lye water solution, and then we'll split this off into 3 batches. Into this first container, we are going to add in some titanium dioxide. And then we're also going to add in some lemon chiffon mica from Nurture Soap. And into the third container, we're going to add atomic orange mica, also from Nurture Soap. And the fragrance oil that we're using today is Peach Bellini from Aztec. We let our white thicken up, and we've added it to our piping bag along with a Wilton 2D tip. And we are going to pipe the tops onto our shooters. And then I have some peaches here and some straws that we're going to add to the top. We are going to let these sit for 24 hours and we'll come back tomorrow to unmold them. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back. It has been a couple of days since we made our peach Bellini shooters, so let's go ahead and unmold them and take a look at the final product. Here we have our shooters all unmolded. You'll see that we do have some air bubbles in there, but that's okay. A close-up of the tops. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye!